The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. I just got back from Bitcoin Vegas and I had a blast. I got you guys new information on the Bitmain S23 air-cooled and hydro unit. I got you new information on the Canaan Avalon Q, and I interviewed Canaan, interviewed Terra Hosting, interviewed Tangem, interviewed the JSBit and AlphaPax team. So I have tons of footage, tons of new videos will be dropping in the next few days. So subscribe to the channel so you can see that new information. And a lot of this was posted on X. If you're not following me on X, check out my X page, follow me. All the links and everything, including my own private Discord, are in the description. The Discord's free, so join if you want to. So you're not here for that, but I'd like it if you would check those videos out when they drop. So you're here to see how I've done with the KS0 Ultra so far. It has been 23 days, and that means we have 1 week left in my 30-day test to see how many blocks I can hit with my KS0 Ultra while I am solo mining. So let's go ahead and get into the video. But first, if you could hit the like button, I really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you like what I described earlier. And if you do like this video, I really do appreciate that as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, I want to start at ASIC miner value and talk about how much the Iceriver KS0 Ultra would be mining if I was mining to a pool, and how profitable or unprofitable it would be. So here we are at asicminervalue.com, and it is saying at my electric rate, my home electric rate of 11 cents, I would be losing 12 cents a day mining to a pool on my KS0 Ultra, unfortunately. So I'd be getting 1.68 Kaspa per day. And let's take a look at why that is. Unfortunately, the price of Kaspa has took a dip, but so has the rest of the market. We were around 10 cents or so, and we dove off a cliff almost down to as low as 8 cents. So there you go. I mean, in one day, profitability can change with these things. That's why I continue to mine. So let's take a look at the hash rate real quick. And interesting enough, we had a very severe dip in the hash rate around May 30th into May 31st, almost around midnight, May 31st, it climbed back up. So lost 250 petahash or so. So at that time, you might've been hitting a few extra blocks, or if you were pool mining, you might've been profitable for, maybe like 4, 5, 6 hours. So that's why I just kind of keep these things mining, because I don't know what the price is going to do on any given day. And it's relatively low market cap coin compared to some of the others. So things can change drastically in like a 24 to 48 hour period. So yeah, Kaspa hash rate still pretty low. 1 exahash dropped as low as 750 for a little while. Kaspa price tanked with the whole rest of the market. Now let's look at the emission schedule real quick, so you guys know what to expect when you do hit a block. For now, the block reward is 5.5 Kaspa. You see here it says 55, but that's 55 because we have these 10 blocks per second. I don't know if you heard of this thing called the crescendo hard fork that just happened. If you haven't, then check out my video. I'll show it on the screen. So that's the whole reason why I decided to solo mine, because instead of maybe a little more rare hitting a block with 55 Kaspa in it, I've been hitting tons of smaller blocks since the hard fork. 5.5 Kaspa per block, 10 blocks per second. I love it. So let's take a look now at the results of what I've been doing so far. This is 23 days in. Like I said, I have 1 more week that I said I was going to run this. So 30 days of solo on Kaspa pool. Let's take a look. Sorry to interrupt your video, but a quick word from the sponsor of the video, Crypto Miner Bros. Crypto Miner Bros has the best brands and the newest and latest ASICs that you can buy. So check out Crypto Miner Bros. Use discount code GREATER for $70 off each miner in your order. And the prices that you see on the website are the prices shipped to your door. Also, check out their offers section. They have this offer section tab right here that I always think is really cool. They have like short-term deals that run for a limited time. So they've got like Dogecoin miners, Bitcoin miners. Check that out too. Don't forget to use discount code GREATER for $70 off. Use the link in the description as the official link to Crypto Miner Bros. Thank you, Crypto Miner Bros, again for sponsoring this video. Okay, so here we are hashing away on kaspapool.org. And if you want to learn how to do this, please check out my video where I show you it's very easy how to set up solo mining. I'll show you the video on the screen and I'll leave it at the end if you want to check it out and learn how to do this yourself. So let's take a look at the rewards and the blocks. Here are the rewards that have been paid out to me so far. I have hit 15 blocks in 23 days. So that's a little over 1.5 blocks per day. So that is pretty good results when you guys just saw if you were pool mining, you'd get 1.6 Kaspa per day. And with my results so far, I'm getting over 3.5 Kaspa per day. It does depend on luck. So let's take a look at that. Here is how my luck has been so far. I started off pretty lucky. There was a couple blocks that I hit like 2% effort. That's pretty sweet. And then I started, started catching up to me. 113% effort, 164% effort. Still not bad because I kind of dropped back down to 4%, 31%, 70%. My average effort is pretty good. So I have been lucky, but I believe that the increased amount of blocks, the speed of the network has helped so smaller home miners can hit some of these blocks. So let's compare exactly how much Kaspa I would have mined for the pool and how much it would be worth today versus solo. Okay, the most recent price of Kaspa is 0.08408 cents. So mining on the pool would have got me 36.8 Kaspa. That would have been about $3.10 so far if I was pool mining. All right, now let's compare that to solo mining. I was able to hit 15 blocks, and that's worth about 83 Kaspa. And we're talking that's about $7, and the price is going up while I'm doing this video. So of course this is going to change daily, but I wanted to give you guys an update today. So far, solo mining on my KS0 Ultra has totally been worth it. I've been crushing blocks 1.5 per day on average, you saw, and that is very significantly more than pool mining. So I'm profitable with my KS0 Ultra. So I want to know how you guys are doing. Are you mining with your KS0 Ultra? Did you start around the same time I showed you how to do it in that video? Let me know how many blocks you're hitting with like a KS0 Pro or even a KS0. The original KS0 is hitting blocks from what I've heard. And if you have a larger miner, I'm very interested also. A few weeks ago, I heard a few people say the larger miners, they haven't been getting as much as they would have if they were on a pool. But that changes with the luck, as you guys saw. So please let me know, comment below what you've been getting with your Kaspa ASICs. And I hope that you're doing well with them. Like I said, if you like the content, please hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.